long process. Okay, Daniel says 1.933. Okay. Okay. Henry says 30 days. Very good. Okay, says 8. Alright, let's see. It is good. Yeah, some persons understood the question because this is not the normal one, normal question to be solved. The question here is not how long it takes for the mass remaining. No. The question here is how long it takes to disintegrate 3.5 grams. So what you will ask yourself is, the original sample is 4 grams. The original sample is 4 grams. That's the original sample. And after a while, about 3.5 grams of that original sample has decomposed, has decayed, has spoiled. Okay? So what you ask yourself, if 3.5 grams have spoiled out of 4 grams, how many grams will be remaining? When you find out the amount that will be remaining, then you do your half-life and find out how long it takes to remain that particular amount. It is straightforward. So the first thing we are going to find out is, if that 3.5 grams disintegrates from 4 grams, what mass will be remaining? Okay? So we do 4 grams minus 3.5 grams. So this will give us what, class?
0.5.
0.5. So,
0.5.
so that you understand what we are doing. Alright? So we need to know how long it takes for 0.5 grams to be remaining. Because if this is remaining, then 3.5 grams has disintegrated. Okay? So let's come back here. Our original sample is 4 grams. Okay? The half-life is 10 days. So after the first half-life, it is 10 days. After the first half-life, how many grams will be remaining, class?
2 grams.
2 grams. Very good.
2 grams.
Very good. After the second half-life, which is another 10 days,
1 gram.
1 gram. Very good. Remember, we must stop at 0.5 because once it reaches 0.5 grams remaining, it means 3.5 grams have disintegrated. So after the third half-life, okay, this is another 10 days. How many grams of
0.5. 0.5 grams.
Up at this point? How many days did it take? 3 grams. Wait, it is 30
days.
30 days. So if you don't get the first step, which is this one, it will be difficult to get this. Any question here?
Come join DTW online classes. It's for science,
Any
arts,
question?
and commercial. It's interactive, it's engaging. After classes on the live class, when you get into the WhatsApp group, there's also classes there, brainstorming sessions, all right? Revising the syllabus again from the beginning. Come join us today. You are destined to win. It's 7,000 naira monthly.
Of bread.